G'day, I'm Mighty. Welcome to the Mighty Outdoors, where today we are spearfishing from a paddleboard right here in pristine Palau's open ocean. There's so much wow right here in Palau. Woo. So I've paddled out. I'm clear of any conservation zones or anything like that, and I've just tied my paddleboard onto the ocean floor, weighted it down, and now I'm just going to catch my breath, get prepped, and jump in and see if I can find something to eat for dinner. All right, this is the first for me. Let's hop to it. Get off the couch, ditch all the chores. Let's go for an adventure in the mighty outdoors. All right, so I'm set up. I'm going to swap over to the spear gun camera now and head on in and just see. It's a bit choppy, but look, it's the first time I've done this. I'm going to check it out, see how it goes. Not expecting much, but let's just see. It's a world, big blue ocean full of surprises. Looks like there's some good ones in there. Alright, let's hop to it. I just got back and I've realised I've lost my paddle. No joke. This is not staged. I have lost my paddle. How the hell did I do that? Anyway, look, this is not such a mighty day anymore. Weather's turning nasty a bit. Got a couple of fish, so it's good proof of concept, but it looks like I need to refine it a bit more. Oh man, it's going to be a long swim back. No paddle. Isn't that ridiculous? Ah. Made it back to shore. No paddle. Ah. Alright, well, there's a lesson in there for sure, but anyway, listen, I hope you at least found it entertaining. Thanks for joining me in the Mighty Outdoors. See you next time in the Mighty Outdoors. So the proof of concept worked. A couple of delicious fish. Now, you could take them home and butcher them in your own place. Of course you could. But if you're here in Palau, why don't you come to the Yume restaurant, which is around the corner from the Bank of Hawaii. Come and see the chef here. For a nominal fee, they'll prep them for you. Let's go. Hello, you there? Fish. Yeah. Can you do those for us, please? How's this? Fish fry. Deep fried batfish. Is it good? Have it. You don't have to do you don't have to gut it and clean it yourself. Come to the Yume restaurant and they'll do it for you. Love it. It takes all the hard work. Is it good? All right. I'm gonna get some. Let's get some bit of this. It's hot. Batfish. No, Batfish. Oh my, that's good. Pork, papaya salad, fried batfish, saute batfish.